Welcome back to my channel. Hope y'all are having a blessed day. In today's makeup look, we're going to be working with the Wet n Wild Coffin Break eyeshadow palette. I found this at Walmart for $4.68. It's a part of the Wet n Wild 2019 Halloween collection. What a great find before they were all sold out. Look at that beautiful palette. This is perfect for fall. Those fall, nice, warm, smoky, sultry kind of shades. And we're going to use the Maybelline Master Prime eyeshadow primer today. And of course, we're picking up the Wet n Wild Coffin Break eyeshadow palette. Check these out at Walmart. You might be able to find them at Walgreens as well, but look how beautiful. So first up, we're going to be taking that matte brown matte, and it's warm, and that is the transition shade in the palette, and along with the other transition shade is black. So we're going to take that in our crease. Next up, we're taking the burnt orange from the eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking this on a pencil brush, and I'm going to kind of pounce that around in the outer corner to place it, and I am definitely pouncing around in the crease instead of swiping. This is a very potent shade. We don't want very much fallout, so I'm kind of like dabbing it in with that pencil brush and bringing it across. We're doing a cut crease in this look as well, so that's another reason why I'm using this technique versus just sweeping it in the crease, because I want it to be as potent as it can be, because we are doing a cut crease. So we're gonna take the blending brush that we had the transition shade on. We're gonna blend those two shades together, and then I'm gonna go back in with that burnt orange shade, and along the edges kind of blend them in with the transition as well. And I'll go back and forth through this until the colors seem seamless, you know, until they're blended. So we're taking the Amuse Full Coverage Concealer. I'm applying that on the lid, and I'm going to kind of like look up and kind of stamp that where, and it's going to let me know where to cut the crease. And then we're going to blend it out. I'm going to make sure all of that is blended out with my finger as well. And that's our cut crease line. So I'm going to be taking that beautiful mustard yellow in the palette and applying it to the lid with a flat shader brush, only in the cut crease area. And this is such a beautiful shade. This alone would make a pretty look. Like, we'll probably do more looks with these palettes, to be honest. Like, I have other ideas. This is such a beautiful fall palette. And I'm going to take the burnt orange along the line of the cut crease to crisp it up again, and in the outer corner to blend with the mustard shade. And I also am going to put the brick orange shade on the lash line in a moment as well. And we're using the Loreal Infallible Endless Pearl eyeshadow. I'm not sure if they sell these anymore, but it's just a matte vanilla bone kind of shade for the highlight, because unfortunately this palette does not have one. None of the Halloween palettes have a highlight in them, so just use what else you have. And there we are. And I am using the Lacolors Auto Liner, and this is the white eyeliner. I'm using that in the waterline, and I'm going to use the mustard yellow shade to make a color eyeliner. And I know I say this in every tutorial that I put eyeshadow in the waterline. If you've never done this before, it's going to burn a little bit. You will eventually get used to this. It's just because you're placing powder in your eye, essentially. And yes, so buff that burnt orange shade on the lower lash line, and I love the way that this came out on the bottom lash line. And the contrast between the two colors is just so pretty. I love that yellow mustardy shade in the waterline. We're taking the lighter shade in the palette, and we're popping that in the inner corner to bring some light there. Me annoyed at YouTube ads. I'm trying to listen to music while doing my makeup, and listening to 4 minutes or more ads along the way is very annoying. So you have to stop, wait, skip, blah blah blah. So for eyeliners, we're using the Jordana Black Point eyeliner pencil, and this is the LA Colors liquid eyeliner. I love this liquid eyeliner. You guys need to try it, okay? Just need to. $1.50 at Dollar General. And I'm using one of my favorite mascaras, the Lash Paradise Mascara from Loreal. I need another tube. This is great mascara. It's so pretty and it does wonders for the lashes. It looks good in one coat, looks fabulous in 2 coats. And also from L'Oreal Lash Paradise, I'm using a Go Glitter mascara. And I'm just putting that on my lower lash line. So for lips, I have the Broadway True Matte Lipstick in Happy Hour on the outer corners of my lips. And in the center, I have 24K Carrot from Wet n Wild. And next, we are going to wipe that off. Second lip look is nude. So I just like giving you options because it shows you how your lips can change the look. And this is Rimmel Kate lipstick number 14. And lip number 3 is a very nice dark vampy red. And I am dancing away to my music, and this is $7.95 Maybelline lipstick in Smoking Red. And today I'm using the Matte Hard Candy Setting Spray because I feel like having matte skin. We're moving into fall, and I just can't help it. My body's like matte, dark sultry shades, you know, warm shades. I love fall. But this is our finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I thought it was fairly easy cut crease to achieve. Hope you guys will try it out. Definitely check out these eyeshadow palettes from the Halloween line. They have fun names, they have fun shadows. And I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Don't forget to check the description box for additional links as well as a product list. Stay tuned for more videos. And as always, don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, ring the bell if you haven't already. And thank you guys so very much for watching always.